Buying a pre-owned boat shouldn't mean buying uncertainty. At MarineMax, we've created a better way to shop pre-owned with the MarineMax Certified Pre-Owned program. Every certified pre-owned boat undergoes a 360-degree multi-point inspection by MarineMax-trained technicians. Every detail is carefully evaluated to ensure quality and reliability. Because confidence doesn't stop at inspection. Every MarineMax certified pre-owned boat includes a 12-month limited warranty. MarineMax gives you the confidence of working with a trusted boating partner every step of the way. And with nationwide inventory and financing options available, finding the right boat has never been easier. Visit MarineMax online or stop into your local store today to find the MarineMax certified pre-owned boat that's right for you.